everybody, it's Patricia and welcome back to my channel. Today I have some friend mail to open. I have it turned this way because our addresses are over here and you don't need to see those. So this is from my friend Shannon at Moody Girl Beauty. Hello, I'm having a time. We've been chatting. We talk, I think, about every day we text each other. It seems to be an everyday occurrence now. We talk and chat, and we were just chatting and talking and decided we would send each other some friend mail. Let me throw that down. She wraps good. She puts it in 2 bags. Cut my second bag open. I probably should have cut the, oh, there's foam. Probably should have cut these before, but I didn't want a sneak peek. I want to see what she sent me. There we go. Shannon, you better not have, did you send another bag? Oh no. I was like, honey, did you wrap it up again? Oh, there's some, oh wow. Okay, there's some great stuff. Shannon. Oh, girlfriend, you sent me some nice things. Dang, okay. Okay, oh, I'm so excited. Ooh, Shannon. She sent me the Naked Urban Decay Smoky Palette. I did not own this. I was talking about one of my videos wanting some gray shadows. Look at there. Oh, Shannon. I love it. I love it. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And then she sent me the Wander Beauty Wondrous Rush Palette. Don't have this one. This one hasn't even been opened. Alright, let me see if I can open it. There we go. Let's open this baby up. What I needed more eyeshadow palettes, but they're my weakness. I won't ever turn them down. I love eyeshadow palettes. There we go. Oh, ooh. I like these colors. I really like, this is kind of a smoky mauve. Look at that shimmer there. I'm gonna swatch these two. My eye's been watering to get 8, guys. I'm not sure why. I'm just gonna swatch these two a little bit on my fingers. Oh, see? Pretty. Pretty, 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 pretty. Oh, I love that. Those two colors were OTW, which was the matte one, and then Blitz. Oh, I like that. Okay. Next, she sent me a Ciate London palette. Look. Do you remember having things like that as a kid? This is the Pretty palette. Oh, these are pretty shades. Look at those purples. I like those purples. Well, I like them all. Those are my kind of shades. I'm looking forward to playing with that. Oh, that's nice. She sent me a cheek palette, Broadway colors. This is the spring palette. This is spring on the back. Oh, let's look at this highlighter. This is not a shiny highlighter. It's got a little sheen to it. But these blush colors are so pretty. I don't know if you can see. See if I can. I don't know if you can tell. But those are pretty. She sent me a MAC lipstick, Shannon. Shannon! Dozen Carnations. Oh, let's check this out. Shannon, I gotta send you some more stuff. Dozen Carnations. An orangey red. I like that. It's a cream sheen, so it's not, it's more of a shimmer, or I mean a sheer. Sorry guys, I'm on new medication and going through withdrawal from another medication, and so my brain is extremely fuzzy right now. Au Naturel, a multi-stick. Okay. In grapefruit. Oh, that's pretty. Can you see that? Let's swatch it up here. Oh, now I like this. It'd make a pretty blush and also a nice lip. And on top of that, she sent me this. Oh my gosh, Shannon. Let's see what's in here. Oh, wait a minute. Zipper stuck. There we go. It's full of like sample sizes, but deluxe sample sizes, not little sample sizes. Shannon, you sent me an Advanced Night Repair eye cream. I love Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair, and I haven't gotten any samples. I love, love, love this stuff. I sold a ton of this stuff back in the day. I'm excited to get this. Very. Gosh, Sunday Riley Good Jeans. I think I will put this, I will put both of these in my sample stash because I have eye stuff I'm working on right now, and these are nice sizes for sample stash. Caudalie Vino Pure Skin Perfecting Serum. I have used that before. I like it. I'm going to throw it in the sample stash. Sunday Riley CEO Vitamin C Cream. I love this stuff. I'm going to throw it in the sample stash though. Drunk Elephant TLC Baby Facial. Huh. 25% AHA, 2% BHA, chickpea flour. Flour, F-L-O-U-R. Not like a flower is in a bloom. Do I want to put that in sample stash? It says use once weekly. I think I'm going to just go ahead and put that in my things. I was saying I needed a new spray, like a beachy wave spray in here. Mark Anthony. Beach spray. I'm going to put that in the samples though. I've decided. And the Briogeo Don't Despair Repair Leave-In. I think I'm going to put this in with my stuff I already have. So in the sample stash, I'm going to add the beach spray, the Good Jeans, the Estee Lauder Night Repair, the Caudalie, and the Sunday Riley. Shannon, what a wonderful package of stuff. Thank you so much. Thank you so, so much. I appreciate it. This was so nice. And I'm going to have to get you up another package here soon full of stuff. So, guys, thank y'all for watching. If you please go over and check out Shannon's channel. I'll have it linked down below. She's become just a great friend to me, and I love chatting with her. And so, yeah, please go check Shannon out. And guys, thanks for watching, and I will see you guys next time.